Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm really glad that you are here. This week we're going to be learning how to sign King of My Heart by Bethel Music featuring Steffany Gretzinger and Jeremy Riddle. This song is a little simpler than some of the other songs that we've been doing. And I am doing it in my Sunday afternoon comfies because it is really cold in Canada. So I've got my favorite hoodie and some track pants on, and we are just gonna sign and worship the Lord together. So we are still gonna do this in 4 different parts, but each video, at least the first 2 videos, should be shorter. Okay, so let's get started. Remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're gonna mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. You'll notice this one is actually 2 pages because I did the whole lyrics. And then I also just did the first 2 verses because the chorus and the bridge are so repetitive. Some people only need the first 2 verses. So then in that case, print the second page. Okay, and last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, today we are going to learn how to sign verse 1 and the chorus. So it starts, let the King of my heart, let. Okay, 2 hands coming out from your body. Sorry, I should have my sleeves up a little more so you can see my hands a little clearer, but let. Okay, you might not even have time for let. You can just go right to king, which is a K, that. Okay, okay. So the King of my heart. Outline your heart over your heart, okay? Be the mountain where I run. So B is the letter B out from your chin, but you probably won't have time for that. Mountain, rock, and then go up, okay? Rock up. The mountain, okay? The mountain where, okay? Shaking your index finger, where I run. So for this, you have your 2 thumbs together, almost like you make a field goal, and then you move your fingers forward with your index fingers inching forward, okay? Run, run. Mountain where I run. The fountain I drink from. Fountain is kind of neat. You do water, so W at your chin, and then you kind of go, whoo, look at it go. Water, look at it go. Water, look at it go, okay? The water I drink from, okay? Just mimicking as if you're drinking. And then he is my song. Okay, you're showing a melody over your forearm. Let's try that from the top. Let the King of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. If you have time for O in there, it's just the letter O, just like this. You'll notice in the chorus there's lots of O's. Okay, and then the second half of verse 1 repeats again, let the King of my heart, let the King of my heart be the shadow, be, and then shadow is the same as dark. Okay, so kind of darkness over your face. The shadow where, shaking that index finger again, where I, and then hide. So for your non-dominant hand almost makes a cover for you to hide under. Okay, where I hide. The ransom for my life. So ransom we're going to do as if you have a bill to pay. So you're just flicking a coin as if you're paying a bill, okay? The ransom for my, and then life is L's towards your stomach and then up, life, and then again, oh, he is my song, okay? And that's it. Let's try from the top. Let the King of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. Let the King of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. Okay, let's try that again from the top. Let the King of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. Okay, and then let the King of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. Sorry about that sound, guys. I'm using alternative heating sources today because it's very chilly in Canada, and that is the stove preheating. Okay, let's do it one more time before we get to the chorus, okay? So, let the king of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. And let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. Okay? And then you are going to love this chorus. It's so simple. It just repeats over and over that he is so good. You are good, because we're talking to heaven. So we're pointing to God in heaven. You, okay? You are. You don't have to do are, but it's like this. So you are good. Starting here at your lips, bringing your hand down into your non-dominant hand. You are good. You are good. And then it goes, oh, just like that. You are good. You are good. Oh. So it's pretty simple. Let's try it one more time from the top, okay? So let the king of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. And let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. Okay, and then that chorus, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, and you are good, good. Oh. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video where we learn how to sign verse 2 and the bridge. Bye. God commands us in the Bible to not be discouraged. And I just want to remind you that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.